Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows 10 or Windows 11 login problems. I assuming that you know your correct password and after typing the correct password you can't log in. So that's the problem. To fix it, you just need to hold shift key in your keyboard and check the power button and select the restart option. While pressing the shift key in your keyboard, select the restart anyway option. And now this page will open up guys. Select the troubleshoot over here and select advanced options and select startup settings and select the restart option over here. And now use the down arrow key and select a safe mode with networking and press enter. And now you just need to type the correct password and you can able to log in guys. Because this is the right password and it's gonna be login as you can see. And now after login you just need to restart your PC for get back normal. And now you can able to see login page. In password type where correct password. Now you can able to log in without having any problem. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.